I'm looking at you through the glass.
Hey, how's it going? Just a quick video to all our clients, just to thank them for all the support we've had through the year. And here's a quick few things that you should do before you guys close up for your well-deserved break. So the first thing is to do with the cleaning and maintenance of your chair and the air compressor. So after you've finished the last patient, if you can clean the suction as you ordinarily would. For most of our clients, they're using Katani compressors, and so the recommended suction cleaner is the PurelyJet cleaner. After rinsing and flushing and disinfecting the lines with the PurelyJet, if you can leave the suction holders off and fully open on all of the chairs so that the suction is running, and it's really important that we run this for at least 30 minutes, if not an hour. What we want to do is dry the lines out. That way there's no moisture inside the pipes, which in this hot weather starts to cause us problems with the suction units, and you'll be calling us in the new year. The next thing to do after you've run that for 30 minutes to an hour, preferably an hour, okay, so after you've cleaned your suction lines, next thing to do is to remove the water out of the water bottle and purge all the lines so there's no water in the water unit. Then turn the water unit off, take the water bottle off, and put your chair to bed. So that's all cool. Clean it down as you ordinarily would. Then, once you've done that on all the chairs, what we want you to do is go out to the suction unit, remove the big yellow filter in the front, and just sit it on the top. This will allow your suction unit to breathe during these hot things, and hopefully we shouldn't have the formation of growth inside it like we have had for several units. After you've done that, the next thing we want to do is make sure that we drain all the water out of our autoclaves so that we've got no water sitting in them over the period. And then the final thing to do is turn off all electrical appliances. They're not going to be used. We don't want to have any problems over the break. The last thing we want is to have, a suction hose get bumped and the compressor or the suction runs continuously. So if you do those few simple things, I'm sure you'll come back to the new year. Make sure you remember to put the filter back in, turn the compressor and suction back on, go through into your units, put some water in, purge it through, and then you should be good to go. If you want to do some waterline maintenance, give us a call and we can send you out a water quality check kit, and we can also send you out the cleaning solution. But you guys have an absolute fantastic Christmas and New Year's. Make sure you're safe and have an enjoyable one, and we'll be talking to you in the new year. Big thanks.